Hey folks, in this video, we're going to talk about some of the most exciting one of the most exciting residual income programs for 2024 and beyond. Residual income. I want to stress it in this video. We're going to talk about it all on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. Go ahead and turn your speakers up and hit the notification bell and tap that notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. My channel is about money making opportunities and ways to exponentially grow your income. Great things are happening, folks. I'm telling you. I got a residual program here and we are ecstatic about it. I'm going to talk to you about how this thing works, how you can build over $10,000 per month with this program, how you can build it. Of course, income disclaimer in life, nothing happens till you take action, and you do a lot of it. This program is on a tear, a rip to the upside, and we could not be more excited about what we have our hands on, Sidehustle.net. But again, before we get started, folks, check out the YouTube channel. I've got several opportunities here, folks, some big ticket, some small ticket, some in between, some, make a sell today, get paid today. And I want to talk about today. Again, check out some of the what we got going on, some passive programs. I want to talk about some residual income. Jose Green, my sponsor, into the supplement grid and into Sidehustle.net, has got me involved with Sidehustle.net. And I'm telling you, you see this pile of cash, folks? This is what we're aiming for. Everybody can get some of this cash when you put forth the effort and, offer value, honesty, integrity, transparency in the marketplace. People will run you down to send you money. Best residual programs for 2024, sidehustleincome.net. Sidehustleincome.net. It's an incredible opportunity. I want to welcome all of those great members that have joined with me in the sidehustle.net. Thank you for partnering with me. Thank you for joining with me and believing in me. And we want to get you. We want to get you up to 5, 10 grand per month. Stick and stay. And folks, with a program like this, you're going to attract people that are more serious, people that are serious about the income, serious about building something. Folks, it's okay to join programs. Some are here today, some gone tomorrow. But what are you doing? And one thing Jose Green stresses with all of us, what are we doing about residual income? What are we doing to change our lives and to push the envelope on residual income? You do the work one time and it will pay you for the remainder of your life. Sidehustle.net. We're going to watch a video how this thing works and we'll go from there. But I believe it's going to be incredible. I am fired up, excited about this sidehustleincome.net. When you join our team, folks, we're going to give you access to your sidehustle.net income. It's going to be this website. You're going to be allowed to use this website. And this video is going to do all the selling, telling, explaining for you so you never have to. This thing can and will work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, doing the sifting, selling, sorting, and telling for you. Your job is just to plug in, mail the flyer that we give you, mail the postcard that the company provides, mail the postcards that we have, whatever it takes to get people in front of the information. That's all you do. The system will take over. It will do the selling, telling, explaining for you again so you never have to. All you need to do is invite, mail. Folks, they can even call the company and the company will answer any questions they may have and get them signed up with you. Folks, is that not exciting? We're going to watch how this thing works. And then we're going to show you how to get signed up when you're ready to become a member. We're going to show you how much it costs to get started, how the residual income affects. So stay tuned, guys. This is less than a 4-minute video. And I'm telling you, it could be life-changing for you in 2024 and beyond. We're going to show you if you can mail a flyer and or a postcard or a combination of both, you can easily make upwards of $5,000 to $10,000 or more per month from the comfort of your home. It is possible when you sell this product, which is the marketing kit, We're going to show you what's in that marketing kit. What is the product? The marketing kit with the leads, with the resources, with the postcards, personalized ID stickers, and other resources to ensure your success in working from the comfort of your home. Let's watch this video, and then I'm going to come back to you to close the video out. Give me a few minutes, folks, and we're going to be off the video.
Let's face it, unemployment...
Hang on tight, folks. Let me turn my sound up. I want this thing to be real loud so you can hear it really good. Here we go. Turn that thing up. Wide open.
Threat. The entire industry is downsizing. Let me ask you a question. If you lost your job tomorrow and couldn't find work, say, for 8 weeks, would you have enough money saved to survive? Yes or no? If the answer is no, then you need a plan B, and you need to start building your own stream of monthly income now. We can show you how. Let me introduce you to our company called Sidehustleincome.net. Over the next few minutes, you're about to learn how you can easily earn $1,000, $3,000, even $5,000 per month or more in commissions from the comfort of your home. The cost to join as a Sidehustleincome.net member is just $150 to start, and then $150 per month subscription, which will get you 150 mailing leads on peel and stick labels, 150 company postcards, 150 personalized ID stickers, a copy of the Sidehustleincome.net monthly newsletter, and a master copy of your personalized marketing flyer. Now, let's talk about money. Sidehustleincome.net has an unlimited width and only 2 levels deep compensation pay structure. Each new member that you personally enroll earns you a commission of $75 per month, and each member that your personal enrolls earns you an additional commission of $25.
Folks, when you sign somebody up, they're going to pay you $75 per month for as long as they're ever in the program. When they sign up a new member, that person's going to pay you $25 per month overrides. Folks, this is exciting.
Per month. Yes, you heard correctly. These commissions are paid monthly. Take a look at the illustration pay chart of the Sidehustleincome.net. This pay chart represents only 10 Sidehustleincome.net members purchasing just $150 monthly in products, and then each of those 10 members personally enrolling just 10 new Sidehustleincome.net members to do the same down just 2 levels deep. As you can see from the pay chart, a total of just 110 members pays a total monthly income of $3,250 per month. Let me ask you a question. What would an extra $3,250 per month income pay for? How about the monthly payments on a brand new car or truck? Or how about paying the monthly mortgage payments on that dream home that you have always wanted? Or maybe use the extra cash per month to pay off the balance of those high credit card debts. Now imagine how much more you could have earned if you had personally enrolled 15, 20, or even 50 new Sidehustleincome.net members into the business, and they each do the same. As a Sidehustleincome.net member, the possibilities are unlimited of how you can earn each month. Are you now starting to see how powerful and financially rewarding the Sidehustleincome.net business opportunity is? So, if you are unhappy with your present financial situation and are looking for more, then consider Sidehustleincome.net business opportunity. We believe there is no other business opportunity that can offer as much potential for wealth, personal growth, security, and freedom of time with so little risk. Get back with the person who has introduced you to this business opportunity and get signed up as a Sidehustleincome.net member today. You have been given the business opportunity that could financially change your life and the life of your family for the good. But only you must decide right now whether or not to take advantage of it.
Folks, we found an income opportunity that could be life-changing with residual income. Residual income is absolutely what we need to have in our lives today. We do the work one time, and the money will come in over and over and over again. Side hustle income, .net income costs you $150 per month. 75 of that goes to your sponsor, 25 goes to your sponsor. And the same way, when you get signups, you'll get 75 for everybody you personally enroll, 25 for everybody that your team members enroll. Folks, this is exciting. It has leverage built into this system. When you join, folks, you're going to get a marketing kit. In the marketing kit, it's going to have 150 leads on pill and stick labels. Going to have 150 postcards. It looks like this. You're going to have 150 personal ID stickers. Now, when you decide to join, you can come to this website here, turn 150 into $6,000 a month, just a few hours a day into a monthly cash flow. Be your own boss. Work flexible hours. Balance your life. And folks, put money to work for you. Once you get 2 or 3 people on your team and they start mailing, the income that you can make is limitless as to what you can make with this program. And folks, sponsor 10 members, earn $600 plus per month. Sponsor 30, and you've got $2,000 plus per month. And folks, you don't have to talk to a single person unless you want to. The company, again, can take all your calls. And that is exciting. You can put your number on the flyer, or you don't have to. Totally up to you. The sky is the limit as to what you can do with this program, and we're excited about it. This is what our team our team flyer, Greg Bethea designed an incredible team flyer for a way to easily build your side hustle program and membership. You do not have to, again, talk to a single person. All you do is get this flyer and start mailing it. Mail, and mail it again. And folks, we can start seeing dreams turn into reality. And the company takes care of all. We don't have to worry about accepting the money. We don't have to worry about, getting this payment processor. We don't have to worry about getting this payment processor, that payment processor. It pays all to the company, and the company pays us out once per month. And folks, that's exciting. They accept credit cards, debit cards, and get people off to the races. One-page flyer, folks, is converting like it's nobody's business. Here is the if you want to order more flyers, Greg can order more flyers. And all you do is come down here, you fill this out. All these things are fillable out. Where they're edible, you can put your ID number in. Your return address, your information, return that to Greg, and you can get off to the races. You can even, hang on tight, there's a place here that you can, ordering this stuff, you can order it. Now, this is the flyer here. Let me see. The flyer is edible too. Let me make sure. Because it says, look here, your one-page flyer will have your name, your ID number, and your phone number all on there. Let me see if I can get to that. I wanted to show you. Okay, yeah. Your name, your shipping address, your information as you want it printed on the flyer, and Greg can put all that on the flyer for you, and you'll be off to the races. Very, very exciting. Your information will be right here and go from there. Actually, you come down here. Guys, here it is at the bottom. You can type your name and your phone number right here, and you can type your ID number. Save it on your desktop or in a folder. Send it to Greg. Print it out. You can print it out. Send it to Greg, and send the order form, and Greg will have these shipped to you. Personalized flyers with your name and information on there. Folks, this is exciting. Very exciting. In the meanwhile, also the company, when people join, they're going to come to this website. We all use the same website here. They're going to come create their subscription payment, and they're going to be able to order leads, postcards, Side Hustle postcards, ID stickers, and they can call the company. It says, can I contact the company for help? Absolutely. Contact the office to get help. Advice on advertising. Just ask questions. You can call that number right here, and the owner of the program will call you back, or one of the representatives, and get your sign up ready to go. That people call and get their questions answered, and they're off to the races. And your ID number will go right in here, folks. The ID and the sponsor name of the person that's going to go in. Folks, this is exciting. I could not be more excited about what we got our hands on, and life is good. Sidehustleincome.net is where you want to build a 5 to 10 grand per month monthly income, a steady cash flow for you and your family for 2024 and beyond. If you want to get started, the information that gets started is below the video. Go ahead and get started. Get your flyers ordered as soon as possible. Start mailing, start getting signups, and start winning huge in Sidehustleincome.net. Best side hustle program, best residual programs for 2024 on and on. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.